How to check TikTok account status. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, to check your TikTok account status, it's really simple. So, let's dive right in. Open up a TikTok app, then go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, then go to three lines on the top right, then head over to TikTok Studio. Now you'll need to scroll down and you'll find account check option under more tools. Go ahead and tap on it. And here you'll be able to see your login, post, comments, profile, and guidelines. And you can check if you're complying with all the rules and regulations of TikTok. So if your account is fine, then you can see account is in good standing. And that's it. You are completely following the community guidelines of TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.